Now, let's be real here. One thing we all love is money. And the only thing better than making money is making money in your sleep. Yes, people, I'm talking about passive income. So Shannon Smith, a 24-year-old who works 2 hours a day and makes $8K a month, shares her business advice. Now, I'm gonna tell you off the bat, of course she's at a slight advantage because she is, an attractive woman, and she does have about 40,000 followers on TikTok. But you need to consider that she's a great example of how to build up your business before the clout and then build from there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, Shannon Smith found herself stressing as she was laid off from her waitressing job because of the pandemic. Then she worked as a fitness coach, which didn't really work out too well for her because she was working 10 plus hours a day and she was only bringing in about 1 to 2K per month. So you already know she needed a way to get to that guap. So she decided to use TikTok and Instagram to market wealth building tools and online programs. So here's her advice for how she makes $8,000 a month doing affiliate marketing and recurring subscriptions on her educational program. First, she suggests that you set up automated systems during the start of your business. Of course, this saves you a ton of time as your tasks then run on autopilot. Essentially, you focus on a product that doesn't require a lot of energy creating and delivering the product. She does this by being an affiliate marketer, which pretty much means she can sell products, but she doesn't necessarily have to deliver the product themselves. So realistically, you want to try to create a product and sell it for a long time with very limited upkeep. This includes things like books, digital courses, online community subscriptions, and even, iPhone and Android application. Now next, you also need to create a sales funnel. This is the process that a customer experiences before they decide to make a purchase. Shannon does this by having her customers who find her on social media led to an automated email list where she can then send them products and services. So realistically, with this email list, she doesn't really have to do much. It's all automated. Now, the rule of 7 by Dr. Jeffrey Lant is that you need to contact a customer 7 times in 18 months before they will actually buy a product. Realistically, let's just go ahead and make this the rule of 10 because as you guys know, online ads are everywhere nowadays. Shannon uses a Weber to automatically send daily follow-up emails to prospective customers who haven't purchased her product. Essentially, you got 2 options. You can either unsubscribe from the email chain or you can buy a product. Her second piece of advice is to try not to reinvent the wheel. She says that the key to going viral is studying what others who do it best are doing and then doing it with your own twist. That means you have to have a basic understanding of what people in your niche are talking about. You have to watch their videos and their content extensively and grab all of the positives and the best things that you can find in it. Shannon says she even saves their sounds and the hashtags that they use. Now, the third one is pretty simple. Focus on solving a problem. As much as we like to think about ourselves, people only really care about their goals, their problems, and their dreams. So your product must highlight how you can pretty much help your target audience to achieve these goals, dreams, and or fix their problem. Fourth, you need to have a genuine connection with your audience. The more people feel that they know you, the more they're going to trust not only what you say, but the products that you sell. Shannon says she engages by responding to comments and going live on Instagram and TikTok. Also, when you directly engage with your customers, you can really get a face-to-face view of what their wants and needs are, and then you can apply that to your product. Fifth, and lastly, she recommends this for anyone starting an affiliate business program. High gravity, which essentially just means that a lot of people are promoting the product. This gives you a better idea of the quality of the product because let's be real here, if it wasn't good, those affiliate programs would get shut down pretty quick. This gives you a better idea of the quality of the product because if the product wasn't quality, there essentially just wouldn't be so many people promoting it. You should also look for a low refund rate. Obviously, if the refund rate of a product is high, clearly the fans do not like it and they'll start to lose trust in you. I mean, if you sell me a toothbrush and I come in, it's got none of those, what are they called? Bristles or something, I'm never buying from you again. Now, she also states that trying to find recurring subscriptions are outstanding, as you get paid a commission every month as the person's subscription renews. And lastly, make sure you hit that Google review. Make sure that these products have good reviews before you promote them. See what other people think. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think any of this can work for you? She was doing this well before she hit 40,000 subscribers and then grew to it. So do you guys think this is something that anyone can do, or you have to essentially have clout to do it? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like this content, like, subscribe, all of that. As you know, we're on the road to 1K, and I can only get there with you beautiful people. So you guys have a great day, be blessed, and maybe write a book and throw it on Amazon. You feel me?